What's up, guys? So today I am going to take you to 3 best places, the 3 coolest places in Tenerife for taking a swim. Alright, so we are basically at the first place here. It's a natural pool close to Los Abrigos. And the cool thing about this pool is that it's connected to the ocean with a underwater tunnel. So you can basically, if you bring your snorkel gear, you can snorkel through to the other side and get into the ocean, which is super cool. But yeah, the place is, you wouldn't be able to find this place unless somebody showed you first. And it's not the best for the car to get there, but we're making our way slowly. Okay, so here we are at the first place. It's the natural pool close to Los Abrigos, and it's gonna show you here. And as you see, quite a lot of people. So as you see, I'm bringing my fins today because I'm gonna go snorkeling. You don't have to, it's still fun just swimming, but it's way more fun under the water. And another thing is, if you want to go here, you really have to make sure to bring good shoes, because as you can see here, the terrain to get there is not really the best.
But the cave is big. But right now I'm just getting like sucked back and forth. So like when I was going out, the water was coming in, so I was like
Alright, so that was quite fun. It's a really fun place to go when you can swim in and out of the pool through the cave. Unfortunately, I managed to get myself some new battle scars because as I was swimming out, a wave actually sucked me into the cave, and then after that pushed me out of the cave. And when it did that, I managed to scratch my arm on the rocks on the way out. But luckily, the next place we're going to is not quite as action-packed. It's just a beach bar area, super nice. Good place to swim, good place to snorkel, a lot of fish. And then hopefully get a beer and just relax a bit before we're going on to our final place. They actually rent out snorkeling gear at the beach bar, so you don't need to have your own. Alright guys, so we're almost at the last place, and I'm looking quite forward to see if there's anybody else there, because the other places we've been to today has been quite crowded. But this place is so hard to find that I'm thinking that maybe there's not going to be that many people. But anyway, we have the drone and we're gonna go there, relax, and then go home. Alright, so we're pretty much almost there. It was a little bit of a pain to find a parking spot. But this place is super hidden, and not only that, it's also super difficult to get to. So hopefully there's not that many people there. Alright, so basically where you see the supermarket, you just go to the left, and then you continue down that way. This was the easy way to go there, where you just walk that way, but it's closed. So you have to go down this way and all around. What? I got it. Yeah, it's not the easiest place. So one of the things about this place that's really important to keep in mind is do not jump in if there's a lot of waves, because as you see, this area is where you get up right there, and it can be extremely difficult even without waves. And right now it looks like the low tide is actually making it quite difficult as well, because of, you can see it's almost, you have to swim up, so we'll see. It's quite cool. Okay, so like an idiot, I completely forgot to make sure that the app was updated for the drone. So I brought the drone here and everything, but no app. So what I've done is I've just made a mobile hotspot on my phone, even though the internet connection is quite bad here. It looks like it's halfway done with downloading the app, and then hopefully I can get the drone up and running. Alright, so I managed to actually get the DJI app installed, and then now I'm just gonna see if everything works. I have connection. That's it, done for today. Had a lot of fun, got a lot of footage, now it's laminated. You mean we decided to cheat and go through a hotel? You're not supposed to do that.